An Ohio family is getting support this morning from people all over the world after the heartbreaking loss of their baby girl. These are the pictures that Nathan Steffel had of his 6-week-old daughter, Sophia. She was born with a liver tumor and spent all of her short life first in a Columbus and then a Cincinnati hospital before she passed away. The family reached out on Reddit and asked if someone could Photoshop Sophia's picture to remove her medical tubes. And look at that. The response was tremendous. Thousands of people from all around the world sent photo after photo after photo of little Sophia without the tubes. The overwhelmed dad released this statement saying, quote, "All I wanted was a nice picture. What I received was a lot of love and support from a bunch of strangers, along with a lot of great photos, drawings, and paintings. Thanks, everyone."